Okay, guys. Kennedy actually has $100.
Here's how much?
100.
You could have bought this.
So today is hopefully I can upload this my picture. So we're vlogging and
Can I say hello?
no.
Can I say hi?
So we have our Pokemon club and we just got something.
She be smirking at.
A mini fridge.
Blasted crap.
It's not doing so good getting in the room.
Pull it out.
Okay, I have to use the bathroom. Bad, so I'm gonna sit you guys down. Okay, so no, you're not. I have all of the babies asleep. Yeah. So we got the fridge out of the hallway, and it looks really good.
Guys, we need a towel.
Why?
Grayson threw away the towel. Grayson, go get the towels. Where did you put them? In the laundry.
So here, I have to show them. We have water bottle. Oh yeah, it is leaking right here. We have water bottles, Coke, Mountain Dew, more water bottles, and we're supposed to put the Jello right here. And then I'm gonna get us some Jello. So, pretty much all we need in here is couch, and then this will be like a couch in a bathroom and a living space. Okay, guys, so my mom and her friend. I have chocolate. My mom and her friend are out in the living room watching a movie, and they turn it up really, really loud because we have a surround sound. It's really annoying, and the show makes no sense. So I'm actually not chewing gum. I'm eating chocolate. So I'm gonna watch my show. So I only watched one episode of Ladylike. And I have to take out the recycling, and I'm sick. I'm not sick, but I have a cold. My hair is a mess. Okay, so I have to take out the recycling, and we have to read a book. Okay, so we just went outside, and my iPad fell in my face, so I deleted that clip. I wasn't crying. I wasn't sick.
Go show them the new freezer.
I already showed them. Okay, well, I made Jello, and I put it in the freezer, and that's a hack. I put my Jello in the freezer, and it's sugar-free, so I don't have to take a shot.
Andre, tell me. 0.
Watch.
How many minors?
You guys look at my Jello. It's awesome. Okay, so back here, there's ice. Don't touch it. You guys. Can I touch it? No, you have dirty fingers. I just washed them.
My minors I don't have none. I have a lot.
What are you doing?
And when you get the stones, you
Boing, 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 boing,
can
boing.
get all that fun.
No. Java. Okay, guys. So Pamela just opened her little Valentine's thing. She got a whack a pack, but she's scared, so I did it for her. You guys just ready? Kennedy, look. Watch it.
Where did you get those?
It was in Pamela's Valentine's box. Watch it. You guys.
You You got a nom nom?
That's the same one. Leave it off.
Is this one mine?
No.
Let me check. You're filming. Seriously?
You're gonna put it in rainbow slow-mo.
What about me?
Stay over there. Oh, my nose.
Don't touch it.
Okay, guys, it's popping.
Guys, I'm scared. Let me be in it. You guys. Where did you get that nom nom?
From Mimi.
Can I check under it which one it is? That's mine.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Joe, stop. It like
Yay! A dance party, you guys. It's gonna pop in her hand. Ah! He is Angel gonna watch.
don't, and you're gonna make it fall, of course.
Angel. Angel has to watch. Angel.
Come on, thingy.
I'll do that to mine. Yeah.
Guys, it popped open.
Guys, it's popping open. Angela's not gonna watch now. No, she's not.
Okay.
Kiki, I thought you were lost. You guys, it's popping.
Shh, stop it. If you're gonna do that, you're not gonna.
I'm stepping on your shoe.
Don't.
Yes.
I got this for my birthday. Stop. Look what you did. You ruined it.
Go!
Guys, I have to open it.
You guys, it's never, ever, ever, ever gonna grow again. No. It's gonna give me a toy.
There's a little
No, don't make a toy. Pick it up. You could just pick it up.
Stop, no.
Yes.
I want it to pop. Pop. And like force it out, but it didn't like that. Oh no!
It's not squishy. You got more?
Nope.
Maybe can I play with your with my dog? With my dog in your
You
house?
guys, it's blowing up.
Is it popping? This is the most creepiest thing in my life.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Lenny, if you bother me one more time, I'm gonna smack you. Is that you?
Boo.
Ow.
Stop it.
This always happens. Ow! Ow!
Okay, guys, so it's Friday, and my nose only got worse. Let's see what the fridge temperature is at. There it is. We're Gators fans. We're Gator fans, so don't judge. Okay, look at the degrees, you guys. 31, exactly. I made this really cold. Okay, so I'm gonna try to touch ice on this. It's really cold. Yeah. I'm gonna try to get Hurst in the vlog. Go up! Here! Sit down! Want a vlog? Sit down! Yeah, good boy. Here, hold it. Hold it. It's for you to hold. What? Go down! 1, 2, 3, He vlogged, you guys. It's so cute. Hursty, come here! Hursty Bird, come here! Okay. Cupcake. What's Nina? Nina's daughter. Here, go down. Sit down. Okay. Here. Hey. No. Don't sit like that. Yeah, sit down. Go down. Go down. Oh, no. Here, you hold it. Hold it. Ready? Oh, don't cover it up. Put it right there. No touching. Ready? Cover it up. Hold on. It's covering it. Don't cover. No touching.
Wait, this was elevator, right?
No, I love Pepe. Use this.
I love
Here, go down. Got the iPad, go down. Kirsty, you go down. Here, yeah, turn around. Oh, or a cupcake wrapper will go down. Cupcake. You want a cupcake? We don't have any more cupcake. Sit down. Because I have a last one. Oh, no, cupcake. Stop it. Go down. Go down this side.
Birdie, I'll let you have
Go down. Here.
Birdie, I'll let you have a bite of my cupcake. I'll let you have a bite of my cupcake. Only if you go down.
He's like going crazy. Ow! That's my ankle. Ow! Ow! You guys. Ow! I have like bumps on my feet. I don't know why. It's because I don't wear shoes. Here, hold it. No covering.
I love cupcake.
Hey, stop it. Stop it. Don't cover it. You guys are going down the slide. Hold it tight. No covering. No. Hold it tight. No, don't throw the iPad down the slide. Okay, hold it.
I go last.
It's gonna be hard, you guys. I don't want to go down too hard. You guys, Kirsty, don't cover. Oh my goodness. Don't cover it, Hurst. He's laughing. He was laughing. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And thank you guys.